Nandito kami ngayon sa Hong Kong at lahat ng ito bunga ng mga binhi na tinanim namin buwan-buwan. Hindi instant ang success, lahat to nagsimula sa training, effort at faith. Tinanim muna namin bago kinita. Habang naglalakad kami sa Hong Kong streets, napaisip ako, grabe, ganito pala ang pakiramdam nang makita ang bunga ng sipag at consistency. Pero bago reward, laging may season ng pagtatanim. Kung gusto mo rin maranasan to, ito yung 3 prinsipyo na lagi kong tinatandaan. First, you can't harvest what you didn't plant. Kung hindi ka mag-a-action, walang darating. Yung mga post, videos at trainings mo, yan ang mga binhi mo sa online world. Second, not all seeds grow fast. Minsan, mabagal ang resulta. Pero pag hindi ka sumuko, lalago rin yan. Every post, every offer, every rejection, part yan ng process. And third, harvest season always comes. Darating din yung moment na makikita mo yung bunga. Tulad ngayon, from laptop work to Hong Kong travel. Tandaan, don't rush the process. Keep planting, keep believing, and soon, you'll be reaping. This is Coach Clint reminding you that faith and consistency always pay off in business and in life. Siya nga pala, may inihanda akong free training kung gusto mong makasama sa next travel incentive namin. Follow for more tips on how to start, grow, and scale your business online.